above 90.
Oh,
Actually, I'm
195.
94.
What
Yeah.
is 87 plus 80? That's right.
Yay.
What is the cube of 9?
नमस्ते
नमस्ते
मेरा नाम MC कैरोलिन है
मेरा नाम मिची है
Yo Michi, do
Hi.
you think the Indian really good at mathematics?
Yes, I think so.
Oh, I think so too. Oh,
こらこら
okay. So today let's watch the video. The title is Are Indians really good at math? Okay, let's watch.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Hey!
Hey guys, it's Marie from Asian Boss. What is 9 cubed? Try to figure this out in your head without using a calculator. Of the many stereotypes that people have of Indians, we hit the streets of Mumbai to find out whether or not ordinary Indians are good at math. So let's dive right in.
So, a BBC report stated that an Indian bride walked out of the wedding after the groom failed to solve 15 plus 6. How do you feel about this?
Good thing she did. It's actually easy.
Perfect, that's like basic knowledge. Anyone should get to know how to add 15 and 6. All the best to her. Yeah, get a better groom, please.
Shameful. I mean, if I can't do it, I'll be okay if someone walks out on me as well. Like, it's such a stupid thing not to. I mean, if you can't solve 15 plus 6, then you're stupid. Then nobody deserves you.
What?
I feel bad. I obviously feel bad because
What?
何をやってんの
marriage is not something, with two people connect not because of their intelligence. The heart should be connected. I
What
think.
they
If this was an
what
incident in the
are
rural-
they
rural
talking
India,
about?
Specifically in the areas like Haryana and that sort of
Okay.
plate. So yeah, being good at mathematics and sciences is a matter of pride over there. Like relatives will come to your house instead of asking, hey, how you're doing in life, how comfortable are you, like what do you want? They will ask you mathematical tables and stuff like that just to prove themselves,
Yeah.
make you feel small or like check you out.
Globally, Indians are known for being good at
Yes,
math.
I think
Do you
so.
Think this is true?
I don't think that's true.
I don't
but
think.
For some specific cases, it could be true.
Yeah, it is true.
Yes.
Yeah, I guess in a way, it is a little bit true. The way that we taught math is different than the way I guess other countries do.
It doesn't stand for everyone, you see. We have a huge diversity in terms of that, and not everyone can be good in maths. That's a wrong conception if you have that.
Yeah, of course. There are so many people in India.
Childhood. We don't depend on calculators. We don't depend on computers so much. So definitely they are better at numbers.
In a scale of 1 to 10, how good would you say you are in math?
1.
Wow.
7.
7. Okay. How
Oh.
much do you usually score?
Above 90.
Oh,
Actually, I'm really bad. I
bad.
wouldn't say anything. You can say 2 or 3.
I'm going to ask you a couple of math questions, okay?
Okay.
Try your best to answer them.
Yes.
Right? What is 87 plus 87?
195.
174.
What
すげえ
is 87 plus 87?
196. 194.
12 into
Oh, yeah.
14?
68.
No? Okay.
No?
What is the square of 18?
324.
What is the square of 18?
324.
How?
Wow.
It's fine. You can take it.
326.
You are there, 324.
Oh.
What is the square of 18?
Wow, are you memorized
324?
already? Wow.
That's true. Cube of 9.
Memorize
Memorized?
81.
or calculate?
Calculate?
721, something like that.
729.
How do they do
Yeah.
that?
What is the cube of 9?
I don't know.
729.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the root of 256?
16.
Yes.
What?
What is the square of 12?
Amazing.
144.
Okay. And he says that I'm not good at math.
Wow.
What is the cube of 9?
729.
That's true.
Ooh.
Root of 256?
15.
16?
16?
That's true.
Eh.
What is
Yay.
the cube of 9?
729.
That's right. What is the root of 256?
16.
What is the root of 256?
16.
16.
16 is true.
Yay.
Okay. So how were those questions? Easy or difficult for you?
They were okay. I mean, they were not too hard. These kind of math problems are actually easy for Asians, I think.
India seems to have a unique way of calculating big numbers in their head and with their fingers. Could you show me how to do it?
So you have like 4 divisions in each of your fingers,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
4 in each. So you count 1, 2, 3,
1, 2,
4,
3,
5,
4.
6, 7, 8, and it goes to 20. 5 into 4, 20. So that way you keep counting. If you have to add something, suppose 8 and 4,
genius.
this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you have to add 4 more. So 1, 2,
1,
3,
2,
4.
3,
That
4.
gives you a 12.
How did you do the first one? 87
Ah,
plus
I
87.
see.
How did you do that?
80 plus 80, that's 160, and then 7 plus 7, 14.
Ah,
So there you go.
Just add both of them up, yeah.
There is more than one way to solve a question, a particular question, and those ways are not just told by our teachers, or
Yeah.
we ourselves discover some ways to solve a particular question.
Do students use calculators in school in India?
No,
no?
no calculators.
So I know that for a fact in universally, I'm pretty sure most of the countries they allow, Western education allows calculators, but in India, like even right now in college and even for the entrance exams and stuff, you have no access to calculators, whether it's derivatives, integration, nothing. So yeah, it's
Do you
That's
think that
why.
the Indian society has high standards for the general public on math?
yeah. I think Indians are expected to know quite a, like mental maths and stuff pretty well. Even if you're in a corporate, if you're working in an office or something, like there are some things that people expect you to know without taking to calculate without using a calculator, basically. So
Basically.
It does because, see, this is the land where zero was discovered, okay?
Yes,
so
I
it is
think
intrinsically in
zero
our
was
brains that we are
discovered
good at
in
maths,
India.
and plus accounting concepts, everything was developed in India. So it's a basic understanding with all Indians have in their mind that you should be good in maths.
When you're going to the government schools, you'll have below average English teachers, below average social science teachers, but you'll have alright maths teachers. So naturally your expectations for mathematics grows from there only.
if you consider Indian parents, which is the Desi parents, then
Desi?
yes, they do actually. I mean, I scored 80 to 100 on math, which I think is pretty good. But my parents were not happy at all.
What would you like to say to people overseas who have these stereotypes about India?
Not all of us are good at math, but quite a few are. So that's it. I mean, there are quite a few things you all are good at
He
too.
looks so
The only thing
smart.
I'd say is the fact that they do not allow children to rely on calculators is like the biggest thing, because that really does help in the future. If you don't need to, you don't have the urge to take a calculator out, and you're able to do stuff on your own.
To be very honest, I myself want to know and research about that why is this, that why is this stereotypical image that we Indians are only good at maths, and why not the outsiders one? Don't have the stereotype in their minds that
Yes.
are only Indians are good at maths. It depends only on the person.
It is actually the social pressure
True, that's
due to
true.
which the perception is that majority of the Indians are good at mathematics. Actually, the natural capability is, I believe, the same all over the world. It's a socio-cultural phenomenon over here which promotes mathematics in a way, and you see the result that way.
Did this video change your perspective of Indians' math skills? Let us know in the comments. For
She
more
looks
authentic
so
insight
smart.
into the latest news and culture trends from all over Asia, be sure to subscribe to Asian Boss and follow us on our social media. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Amazing.
Amazing! Oh, I see. Yes. この動画を見る前から私はある程度理解していました。インドは人口が India, there are many people だからもちろんめちゃめちゃそういうことにはいます。人が多いから。だけどできない人も多くいます。人が多いから。そういう話でしたね。That boy said it depends on the person. So don't have a stereotype. He said, yeah, that's true. I think so. Oh, I would like to ask you guys, what is the stereotype of Japanese people? Oh, 私たちのインド人に持っているステレオタイプはカレーをめちゃめちゃ食べてる、数学が得意、 Yeah, this is a stereotype like this. So please tell me your stereotype of Japanese people. Will answer if it was true or not. Yes. Okay. So このビデオとても面白かった。いろいろな国には各それぞれにねステレオタイプがありますから。確かに私たちは日本人はインド人すごく数学強いと思ってました。なんか2桁のね数学やるってらしいもんね。
掛け算ね。
掛け算。ジャパンはあれまで 9×9 までですか。
99×99 まで本当にやるの覚えるんですか？
それも教えてください。はい。ということで今日はどうもこの動画を見てくれてありがとうございました。So thank you for watching my video.
Thank you.
If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and comment please and share please. Share on WhatsApp please. So 1 minute Japanese lesson.
Yeah.
Today I'm gonna teach you how to say good evening in Japanese. こんばんは。
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 イエーイ。
ね
ダニャワード。
ダニャワ
ピルミレンゲ
ー。ピルミレンゲ
ピルミレンゲ
俺は岐阜県生まれインターネット育ちカボスやってる大体友達掲示板好きも大体同じいろんなスレ荒らして